How romantic is it to weave jewelry right into your braid? This is a hairstyle you absolutely need to learn. It looks intricate, but you can easily master it as long as you know how to do a 4-strand braid. Let's get started. First, section off a layer of hair and set it aside. Next, thread your jewelry through a bobby pin. Then, grab a small strand of hair. Tie it with an elastic and slide the bobby pin vertically right into that elastic. Let down the top layer of hair and divide it into 3 sections. The jewelry will act as your 4th strand. Remember to keep the jewelry piece right in the middle at all times. If the steps aren't quite clear, don't worry. There's a much clearer view of the process on the other side for you to watch. Now, finish the 4-strand braid using the French-style braiding method. Once both sides are braided, it's time to create a low bun. You can style the bun however you like, but we'll go with the easiest way today. Braid both remaining sides into simple 3-strand braids. Loosen them up and then cross them upward to pin them securely. Gently pull and loosen the braids on both sides. This step makes the braided texture pop and helps the jewelry stand out even more. Finally, secure them onto the bun and you're all set. See you next time. Bye!